put some sugar on your house key and solve some problems. You'll certainly be surprised by the results, especially if you want to start the new year off on the right foot. This simple but meaningful tip has been passed down from generation to generation, and many people believe that it can bring luck and prosperity and positive energy to the environment in which we live. To begin, take a key and put it in a paper napkin. Use the key that opens the front door of your house, such as the living room or kitchen. Next, add a spoonful of sugar. Then add 3 kernels of popcorn. This ingredient is very special. The number 3 symbolizes the balance between the past, present and future, and is a number that carries positive and powerful energy. Add a spoonful of coarse salt. This is not fine salt, but coarse salt, which has a much stronger energizing effect. Coarse salt is known for its purifying and protective properties and acts like a magnet for your home, attracting different positive things and helping to protect it from negative influences. Now, wrap the key with the paper towel. How do I do this? It serves to protect the key and keep the items inside the package safe. By wrapping the key in the napkin, you are creating an environment in which good energies can be concentrated and directed to attract prosperity. Once you've done this, take a glass that has never been used and place the wrapped key in the paper. Then, pour in a glass of mineral water at room temperature. The purer the water, the better. Water is one of the most powerful and symbolic elements as it represents fluidity, renewal, and abundance. By using water in this tip, you are literally feeding the tap and the elements, helping to charge them with positive energy. Stir the water gently, taking care not to tear the paper. If the paper falls apart, no problem. Then, place the glass on top of the fridge. Leave it there. Leave the glass with the key in it for a while. The time can vary, but the important thing is to keep the intention positive and believe in the power of the ritual. This practice will help bring a lot of prosperity to your home and, who knows, even make your dreams come true. The process is not only symbolic, but also energetic, and many people report significant changes in their lives after following this advice. Try this practice and see the changes that can occur in your life. With faith, intention, and good energy, you can create the perfect environment to make your dreams come true.